Welcome back to Leaders of Tomorrow. The global market of stem cell science is expected to be worth over $88 billion by 2014. And in India too, stem cell science has been rapidly growing. Our next story is of a Mumbai-based company that's into stem cell banking, cell therapy, wound and pain management. Take a look. India is now shifting its focus to one of the most promising sectors of the future, biotechnology. With its large pool of scientific talent, a world-class information technology industry, and a vibrant pharmaceutical sector, India is well poised to emerge as a significant player in the global biotech arena. Anticipating this growth, Yash Sanghvi, a visionary distributor in the pharmaceutical sector, went a step forward with his futuristic approach and established Regenerative Medical Services in 2008.
We started our journey as a pharmaceutical distributors in way back 1984-85, and we started our journey as a distributor for almost 25 years. We found that allopathy having limitations in terms of efficacy to the patients. If you look at the history, Ayurvedic, homeopathic and allopathic, what is the next? This is how Regrow has started and entered consciously in biotech as a regenerative medical service for tissue engineering, particularly for orthopedic market.
Regenerative Medical Services, more popularly known as Regrow, is one of the key players in stem cell therapy and cell banking in India. Initially, the company had a turbulent ride in this untouched market, but with its conviction and highly skilled professionals, Regrow has today built its name in the biotechnology industry.
When we started a biotech company, Regenerative Medical Service, or we call a Regrow, we find out that how to start, because a biotech engineer, to get biotech engineers in cell therapy is very difficult. That is one very big hurdles. Number two, finance. No one is ready to finance you. It's totally new area, new horizon. Number three, how to convince a key opinion leaders to go for a cell therapy instead of a knee replacement.
In cell therapy, the company provides a complete regeneration solution to its patients, like Chondron, that cures defects of the knee, and Osron, that regenerates damaged bones. The company has a state-of-the-art laboratory in Lonavala spread over an area of 15,000 square feet. Here, its stem cell therapy and cell banking are conducted by highly experienced professionals.
In Osron, we take the biopsy from the patient, and in that biopsy, we basically take few cells from the patient's body, we culture in our laboratory, and after the culture, we again reimplant those cells to the defective site in the patient's body, where it regenerates the defective area and the patients get treated.
Regrow is today well known for its Babycell or umbilical cord blood banking. During the birth of a baby, the company collects the umbilical cord, processes the cord blood and cord tissue, and the stem cells are preserved for 21 years at a temperature of -196 degrees Celsius. These can then be used to protect the child from life-threatening diseases like anemia, leukemia, Parkinson's disease, etc.
After delivery, we are collecting umbilical cord blood and cord tissue, which comes to the laboratory in a specified temperature condition. We are processing umbilical cord blood and cord tissue for the separation of the stem cells therein, and those will be after processing, those will be stored at -196 degrees Celsius for 21 years. Those are used in a different kind of life-threatening diseases such as anemic conditions, leukemia, or Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease. So such kind of life-threatening diseases can be treated by using these stem cells.
Within a short span of time, the company has been associated with some reputed hospitals and doctors. Its team of highly professional staff and trained doctors understands the requirements of its patients. In fact, the company's good lab practices and great working environment have earned it ISO, GLP and GMP certifications.
We have associations with corporate hospitals as well as doctors who practice on their own as in the clinics as well. In terms of our corporate hospitals, we have tie-up with Apollo hospitals and Fortis hospitals. Also there are a couple of individual hospitals which are standalone, such as Hiranandani or Kokiraben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital, Lakeshore Hospital, Ortho One, ranging right from Delhi to Coimbatore.
Today there are about 350 companies in India that produce specialized products and services in various sectors of biotechnology. With new path-breaking technologies coming to India and the availability of a qualified professional workforce, this sector has a huge potential to grow in the coming years.